Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our previous session, we had this purchase order entry system in this shape. Now we have enhanced it, and we will show you how this enhancement is being done. First of all, let's go to the previous version of our program of this, that it used to show you purchase order, what you have entered the shipment fees, and you can browse the information notes, supporting notes for these $200, right? For this, it is going to open this file. That's it, right? But you won't be able to make any changes in that. Okay. Now let me load this file. Okay, so it is showing you this information, right? So you can browse through all the information what has been stored in the form of notes. For these are the actually supporting notes for these $200 is they're like this, and this is for this 100 other charges is $75 for this and 25. You can have further more information stored in there. Okay, so this was the previous section, look, which we showed you in our previous video. And we have opened the in a new shell, we have opened our today's lesson. And let's go to 14 from here. So you will see a different look and enhancement, right? So in this enhancement, we have the same thing as it was. All now the enhancement is that now you are able to make changes in the notes if you want to, and if you are authorized, right? So let's double click on it. So this is the, for example, you want to go to the other charges, let's go to the other charges. Fair enough, okay? Now let's think that you want to insert a row between these two and do some writing and notes in it, okay? So you select in it here, okay, and you double click here. So you have these many operations to do. You can edit the selected line. You can erase, just forget about this erase on it. You can insert the line in here. You can delete the line in here. Okay. So if you press 3, then this is going to load the file, and it is going to copy this all range. Okay. So let me clear all the uh, breakpoint, and it has inserted the row. Okay. Since it has inserted the row, it is now save notes is now enabled. Previously, it was disabled, right? If you want to write anything, it will force you to commit the previous pending changes first, okay? So you have to save the note, right? So ready to save, okay, fine, it is saved. Now this becomes disabled. Now you want to delete this row, you can delete this row as well if you want. For okay, you press 4 here to delete the selected row. Okay, so it is now going to the breakpoints, and it is deleting the row, right? So these are so many other things like editing. For example, you want to change this 2003 to 2004. It's 2004 now, huh? And for example, the note, okay, this is PO date, that is 2001. Or you can make, as for example, you want to change this receipt number. Tax receipt number is, instead of 11013, it is 11103. Okay, so let's double click on here. So it is again reminding you that you need to save it first. The pending changes are there. Okay, you save it and you get back to this. And now you double click on here and you press edit. Okay, when you press the edit, then it is going to to take you through all these values, right? The first one is this. This should be date. We will make the necessary changes so that it takes date in here, right? Okay. So far it is fine. We all we need to do is this. So we leave this thing it as it is, and this is the place where we want mm, to change from this to 03. Okay. Okay. So, and any such figure, I always use apostrophe so that it does not confuse with the date. So I okay, click OK, click OK, click OK. So it is taking you all these information being sent. Okay, that's it. And it has now changed the number, right? It has changed the number in it, and so this is the next number, and this is a different number. Okay, so this how you can make a lot of things on this enhancement, and a lot of supporting notes pertaining to the purchase orders can be built, can be systematically maintained in your system, and it is not overloading your database. The database remains the same. It has only 50 plus this file reference, and in this file you can have a whole detail, the order trail or whatever. You can do it. Okay, I hope you liked it, and see you in our next video. Thank you.